How to add intro video for YouTube channel. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can add intro video for your YouTube channel. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first open up any browser and search for www.youtube.com. You have to search for this exact website. So now you are on YouTube. If you are on Chrome, tap on these three dots and here check this desktop site. So you have to turn on desktop site. Now once the desktop site is loaded, here in the top right corner you will see your profile. Tap on it and then here tap on your channel. Now once you are on your channel, tap on customize channel here. Now here it says open with, so tap on your browser that you are using now. So I am using Chrome, so I will tap on Chrome. Now here after it is loaded, zoom in and here you will see channel trailer for people who haven't subscribed. So you have to tap on add in the channel trailer. After tapping on add, wait for it to load and here select the video you want as your channel trailer or intro for your YouTube channel. Now I have selected this video. Now here tap on publish in here. Now this video is added as a channel intro or channel trailer for your YouTube channel. So this is how you can add intro video for your YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.